This is an Idle-Arc Lincoln 250. I'm going to turn it all the way up to 300 amps to get maximum power for this carbon arc. And that's it. Okay, because we're doing carbon arc, we have to wear earplugs because it's very, very loud. Okay, the problem here is I don't have enough power in the machine, even though I got 250 amps going through it, in order to make a good carbon arc gouge. In order for me to do it, I would need a bigger machine or piggyback that machine with another one. And this is the result of what I got. In order for me to weld over that, I would have to grind all that so it was nice shiny metal. There's no way I could weld over that without cleaning it first. Yeah, that's probably good enough to weld. You know, you get some spots there, you might have some defects. The vacuum cleaner is going to suck through this box where all the debris is going to set. And that's it. Nothing will go in the vacuum cleaner. Put it over there next to the carbon arc. If I use a much larger machine with a lot more amperage, I could go right through this 3/8 plate right here. So you can see how clean it is. And it really didn't take that long. I will turn more heat up though. Now what happens over here is when the tip is coming off the plate, it loses some of the suction when you get to the end of the plate. So what we do usually to stop that from happening is we put another plate here, clamp it on, just to maintain the suction. And that's with 250 amps, just like on the Idle-Arc, that I couldn't do over here on the carbon arc. But you can weld right over that. You don't have to clean anything. If this was stainless steel or aluminum, you can weld right over that. Over here, you'd have to grind all that out, make it clean before you could do a weld. Over here is a sample of a weld on a plate on one side. In order to get 100% penetration, like if you were building a ship, on the hull of a ship, you would have to turn around, go to the other side, and back gouge this. The way they do it today is with carbon arc. And the reason for that is so that you join the weld on this side to the weld on this side. Now you have 100% weld. I'm going to try a hunk of stainless right now and just put a gouge in that so you can see what it looks like on stainless. It's pretty fast, pretty clean. with the exception of the dirt on the plate, you could actually weld right over that. As you can see, again, over here I lose suction, so I don't get that. I don't get the suction out of it. But with more amperage and a bigger nozzle, if it's just scaled up, I can get a lot more out of it. And I'm using a non-consumable rod, just tungsten. I can use it all day long, and I could use a bigger torch for bigger projects. It works great. It's clean, no sparks, no smoke, no dust. With a HEPA filter inside the vacuum cleaner, there's no hexahelium chromium gases. All right, this is something that one of the prototypes in the beginning that I was using. I actually used this on a 2-inch thick plate, and I was able to go 7/16 deep, and I had a 5/8 wide gouge on it. Using this torch here, and this is a Synchrowave 350 Miller Synchrowave, and I had a bigger tungsten in here, a 532 tungsten with a big cup, and boy, it just sucked it right up. Really nice and clean. This is another one that we used. Going in a corner joint, you're probably wondering why I'm not demonstrating it. It's setup time and so on. But when this is all done, this Weld Vac is all done and productized, this is going to be made for you welders that have to go in the holes and do a lot of grinding and everything, and you get all that metal dust and grinding splinters all in the back of your neck. Because I've been there and I don't like it. And I've been trying to find something for a long time, and this is it. It's simple. When it's productized, it's going to be a nice tool for all you welders out there that really have to get into the crap and get it all over you. That's Weld Vac.